Are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I am going to discuss about the SQL interview question which is asked into the one of the MNC's data engineering interview. So if you talk about the question over here, we have to count the employee in each experience categories. So you will be given a employee table or details, like you have a column employee id, first name, salary, department id and hire date, and based off that you have to categorize the employees experience level. So suppose if anyone employee having experience 0 year to 5 years, they will consider as a junior. More than that, they will consider as a mid level, and above that they will consider as a senior. If anyone having the experience above then like 20 years, then they will consider as a senior. So how you will able to handle this question? So first of all, what we have to do, if you'll come over here, inner query, this one is the inner query which we have taken. So we have a higher date, so based out of the higher date we have to find the year of experience. So we have used over here date diff function, and we have given year because we have to find the number of years. So what we did, we have find the years. If you look over here, how many years of experience each employee have, and out of that what we did, we use the case statement. And like we have given that if any employee having the year of experience greater than 0 and less than 5, then they will be considered as a 0. If any employee have greater than 6 or equals to 6 and less than 20, then they will be considered as a mid-level employee, and if there will be above 20, then they will consider as a senior. So if you look over here, then we can able to like see. So we have the employee year having year of experience 38, then they are considered as a senior. Employee having 1 years of experience is considered as a junior. So what we will do, we will now do one thing. We will take the auto query because we have to find the number of employee in each category. So what we will do, we will take from, and then we can get the result. So we can see we have only junior and senior, two type of the employee. So junior are total number of employee 2 and senior is 38. So this one is seems to be little bit tricky. You have to do with the help of subqueries, or if you know the CTA statement, then you can do with the help of CTE as well.